Hey everyone! Welcome back to Target Surge 24, your go-to place for honest and in-depth product reviews. Today we're diving into the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker, a versatile kitchen must-have that claims to deliver perfect rice every time. Whether you're cooking rice, grains, or steaming veggies, this little powerhouse does it all. But is it really worth your money? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about design. The AROMA Digital Rice Cooker features a sleek stainless steel exterior, which gives it a modern, polished look that fits perfectly in any kitchen. It's compact yet capable, making it perfect for small families or anyone short on counter space. Now let's move on to functionality. With a 4-cup uncooked and 8-cup cooked capacity, this rice cooker is perfect for meal prep or family dinners. It comes with several modes, not just for cooking rice but also for steaming and slow cooking grains. There's even a keep warm function, so your food stays at the perfect serving temperature without overcooking. I personally love the easy-to-use digital interface. It's super intuitive, allowing you to set and forget while the cooker does all the hard work. The automatic features are a lifesaver for busy days when you don't want to babysit your meal. Performance-wise, the rice comes out perfectly fluffy, whether you're making white rice, brown rice, or even quinoa. Plus, the included steam tray allows you to cook your veggies or proteins at the same time, saving you time and extra dishes. Cleanup is also a breeze with its non-stick inner pot. And because the pot is removable, you can simply pop it out and wash it in no time. No scrubbing or soaking required. Overall, the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker is not just a rice cooker, it's a multifunctional kitchen companion. It's ideal for anyone who wants an affordable, easy-to-use, and efficient appliance that does much more than just cook rice. Pros: sleek stainless steel design, multifunctionality, rice cooker, steamer. Grain cooker, easy-to-use digital interface, compact and space-saving, quick and easy cleanup. Cons: the 2-quart capacity may not be enough for larger families, so if you're in the market for a reliable, affordable and versatile rice cooker, the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker might just be the perfect fit for you. I hope this review helped you get a better idea of what it offers and if it's right for your kitchen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.